In this video, we're going to get Nengi set up and ready for development. Begin by going to the Nengi section of timetocode.com, and then in the download section, if you have an account, you can access the downloads. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for it here. The file we need is barebones.zip. I've got it here on my desktop ready to go. What we're going to do in this video is get the server running and build the client and connect the two to one another. In a future video, we'll take a tour of what's in the barebones app. To start, we have to install the dependencies. Go to your barebones folder, wherever it is, and run npm install. My dependencies are already installed, so this will be quick. Yours will take longer. You can pause this video if you need. After that, we're going to start the server. It's in a folder called node, and the script is called standalone.js. If the dependencies were installed correctly and that's working, you'll see this instance listening message. Now to build the client is built with watchify. You may have to install watchify, in fact I'm sure you will. We're going to open another command prompt. Also go to the barebones directory. And the command we run is watchify, and we aim it at a file called main.js, and we're going to produce an app.js. In the next video, we'll take a tour of the barebones application, and we'll see why these are where they are. But for now, to get it working, type this command. We aim it at game client main.js. The output file is node public.js app.js. Then we run babelify on it, and I'm just going to turn on the verbose flag to make sure that it worked. This runs quicker every time you run it. It gets cache after the first time. So looks like it's built and we've got the server on. Let's see if that is the case. We're going to go and run the game client, which in the barebones program is on port 7999. There should be nothing on the screen, it'll be white. It's an empty game, but if we open up the console, we will see some sort of message that says connected to server. If we see that, then the client can connect to the server. If we minimize this, we'll see a corresponding message in the server window where we see that the client connected. If you see both these things, everything's working and you're ready to go on to other tutorials or start developing.